Hi there, welcome to our channel Rapid Pharma. In this video, we're going to learn about origin and definition of pharmacognosy. So let's start. Pharmacognosy, which is initially known as materia medica, means study of substances used as medicine. Pharmacognosy is related to organic remedial substances. We all know that plant existed in the world before the entry of man. As man lived there, he got engaged with its environment, especially to plants. Because plants can be used as food, poison, curative agents like painkillers, febrifuge, antiphlogistic, and sporific, etc. Our ancient got vast and deep knowledge of plethora of drugs from vegetable origin, but scanty knowledge for purity and presence of chemical compounds. For example, camphor cure many diseases if it is used internally, stimulant and carminative. If it used externally, acts antiseptic, anti-allergic, counter-irritant. Camphor was obtained from cooling of volatile oils, sassafras, rosemary, lavender, etc. But few civilizations got it as byproduct of wine and is obtained from alpha-pinene in present in turpentine oil. Some civilizations they also found ways to make drinks, alcohol and vinegar from plants. Poison plants were used against enemies and prey. They also found some plant extract which keeps meat fresh, masks its flavor and taste. Some civilization got plant extract having the property of inherent stimulant like caffeine, theophylline, and theobromine. All this cost times, lives for the knowledge, but it was foundation of pharmacognosy. According to Dr. K. Genziger, pharmacognosy is derived from two Greek words pharmakon mean drug and gignosa mean knowledge, acquiring knowledge. So literally it is the science of drug. John Adam Schmidt John Adam Schmidt was a physician and professor who firstly used the term pharmacognosy in his handwritten manuscript L'Herbach de Materia Medica, published in 1811 in Vienna. Second time this term appears in the thesis title, which was Analytica Pharmacognostica by a medical student C. A. Sidler in Hellschale, Germany in 1815. Pharmacognosy is study of drugs in crude condition, which may be plant or animal or their parts, which may pass through some physical process, drying, garbling, etc. Crude drugs may also be juice or exudate or oils of plants. So, on the basis of the physical nature, we divide crude drug into two forms. Organized crude drugs have direct source cellular structure like leaves, and unorganized drugs like juices and oils etc. have no cellular structure, no direct part. Animal crude drugs includes organ extract, enzymes, and some hormones of them. Now, what is the definition of pharmacognosy? According to American Society of Pharmacognosy, the study of physical, chemical, biological, biochemical properties of drug substances, potential of drug substances from natural origin, as well as the search for new drugs from natural origin is pharmacognosy. Good day. See you soon with new amazing videos.